Hi everyone, for those of you who are watching this video, thank you for your time. My name is Monique Feitosa. I am a design enthusiast and I always feel inspired when I see a place that I feel it could be a much better place, comfortable place for a family to live, or a couple, or a single person. And this inspiration that I've worked on yesterday actually was a trailer home, which I found on an ad on Marketplace on Facebook, and it has 28 feet by 8 feet, so it's a tiny home. It can sleep around, I believe, 4 people, and if you count the sofa, 5 people. I tried to maintain the same layout as it was already in the trailer, so let's get started. So here outside, I changed a little bit the facade. I used black and natural wood, which I think it's a very neat modern design that they're using now. And I also provided a bunch of windows so we can have natural light coming in since it's a tight space. The front door is also a glass door, which will allow more sunlight to come in. As you can see, there's windows all around, especially on this side and front. Don't mind this other one in the side, that's another project. I'll show you guys later on another video. And just 2 windows over here because I used this other side of the trailer to do all the amenities that we needed. So let's try and get in the house. All right, so starting from here, I'm gonna walk you guys right into it. And for those who are wondering, what am I using to do this? This is an app actually that I have on my iPad. It's very easy to use. The tools are very, very easy to understand. I'm not a professional using AutoCAD or anything like that yet, so I'm still learning. And this is very easy for me to get my ideas out and just have fun with it. So over here, you walk in the front door. And just a second, guys. All right, okay. So as soon as you walk in front of the door, the main door, you see the kitchen right in front of you. I added a window on top of the sink. Did a blue with cement countertops and natural wood all again, which I think looks really nice and has that industrial feeling, which I think goes really well with the trailer. Added some shelves, so it feels a little bit airy. It's not so cramped overhead. So you can see you can have everything that you need that you will have in a small apartment or at your house, but just more compact. So I was able to buy on the TV, I was able to put a desk so you can work on it, you can eat at it. Also added the wash machine right beside it, and because then you can have all the hookups from the kitchen to there, so you don't have to spend so much money on it. I added also an apartment size fridge, which I think is ideal if you're living with maybe a couple and 2 kids here. So laminate floors, and over to this side I added this wall of glass doors, which both doors in the middle opens to the side, so the entrance to the bedroom is in the middle, so you can have access. We have a nice large 3-seat couch here, some more storage up above the couch, and our little nook here that I did with the dining area. So to feel cozy and homey, you know, adding a nice rug, adding these nice curtains, some with the natural fiber, so it makes it feel much more homey. And I think it adds a little bit of a separation, but not to a point that again feels cramped. So going in here, all you can fit in this bedroom will be, this is a king size bed, so all of this is by you know, normal measurements that you go for, and a nice floor to ceiling closet with sliding doors, obviously, in a tiny home. That's very useful. So looking on the other side of the tiny home, so here you can see the kitchen again, our little nook area, and over there by the door there is a bunk bed, a built-in bunk bed, as you can, I don't know if you can say that, but each individual bunk bed has its windows and a curtain just to have some privacy. The ladder is, you can remove it and put it to the side and use it in the kitchen if you need it. So right here, I also added a glass door to the bathroom, but obviously it wouldn't be a clear one. We'll probably have that changed. So obviously we can add some privacy. So going into the bathroom, I was able to fit a sink, just single sink. We can add a mirror up above. Over here we have the toilet, another window so we can have natural light and some air come out. Use the same black frame with glass for the bathroom shower tub combo, so we can have, again, with the cement, we can also have that industrial feeling that we have throughout the house. So going back out, we can see again over here we have a full oven, large sink. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Next time I'll show you guys another video, another project, but you know, just for fun, just to get our ideas out there. Thank you for watching, guys.